In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Myfxbook Currency Heat Map. First, head to myfxbook.com and log into your account. Once you're signed in, navigate to the Market section and select Heat Map. If you prefer, you can also find it under the Tools area as Forex Heat Map. This will open a page displaying a grid of cells, each one corresponding to a different currency pair. What you're looking at is a visual snapshot of how currency pairs have moved over a chosen period. Each cell represents the movement of one pair within that time frame. The colors and their intensity indicate both the direction and the magnitude of that move, making it easy to spot which pairs are gaining or losing ground at a glance. Think of it as a high-level dashboard. The more intense the color, the stronger the move. Lighter tones generally indicate a milder change. It helps to remember how currency pairs are structured. A pair like EUR-USD shows how many US dollars 1 euro can buy. Movement in that cell reflects whether the first currency, the base, is strengthening or weakening relative to the second, the quote. When you're scanning the grid, you're effectively seeing these relationships for many pairs at once, which is great for quickly identifying broad strength and weakness across the market. Before you start interpreting the moves, choose the time frame that matches your goal. For quick intraday context, select a short period such as 1 hour. This highlights immediate momentum and can help you understand what's driving current price action, though it may include more noise. If you want a balance between immediacy and reliability, pick a medium period like 4 hours. This smooths out some short-term fluctuations while still reflecting what's happening today. For a bigger picture view, switch to a long time frame such as daily or weekly. That setting emphasizes prevailing trends and reduces short-term volatility, which can be useful for planning swing trades or confirming longer-term biases. As you scan the grid with your chosen time frame, look across rows and columns to spot consistent patterns. If one currency appears strong against several others, that may indicate a theme worth noting. Conversely, if a currency looks weak across the board, that's also meaningful. Use the heat map as a starting point for deeper analysis, not as a standalone decision tool. Always confirm ideas with your usual charts, risk management rules, and any fundamental factors you follow. And that's it. Log in, open the heat map, understand what each cell represents, and select a time frame that fits your objective. Keep it simple, stay consistent, and let the heat map guide your market overview efficiently.